Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. Today, we're stepping into the future, where houses aren't built brick by brick, but layer by layer, by 3D printers. Imagine waking up in a beautiful, eco-friendly home that was printed in just 24 hours. These futuristic homes are not only affordable and fast to build, they're also sustainable. With technology evolving fast, this is not science fiction anymore. It's happening now. The future of smart living starts here. "3D printed homes break the limits of traditional construction. Think curved walls, creative layouts, and customizable living spaces, all printed straight from a computer file. Architects can now experiment with bold ideas, while builders save time and money. The result? Smarter, stronger, and more stylish homes for the modern world. The future isn't waiting. It's being printed right now." What if owning your dream home didn't take a lifetime of saving? 3D printed homes are making that possible. With lower costs and faster build times, these smart homes are giving more people a chance at sustainable living. Combined with smart home tech, like voice control, solar power, and climate sensors. They're built to work with you, not just for you. The dream is real, and it's affordable. Imagine a house printed in the middle of a forest, smart, sustainable, and perfectly in harmony with nature. 3D printed homes can be built in remote areas with minimal environmental impact. Using smart technology and efficient design, they bring modern comfort without disturbing the ecosystem. A new way of building, a new way of living, where tech and nature coexist. These aren't just homes, they're intelligent living spaces. From automated lighting and climate control to voice-activated security systems, 3D printed smart homes redefine modern living. Built with embedded tech and designed for sustainability, they adapt to your lifestyle. And with 3D printing, every home can be unique, efficient, and eco-friendly. The future is smart, and it's being printed. The future of housing is here, and it's being shaped by innovation. 3D printed smart homes are not just structures. They're solutions to global challenges like housing shortages and climate change. With every printed wall and energy-saving feature, we're building toward a more sustainable and connected world. The future is no longer far away. It's being built, layer by layer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.